Welcome! In today's video I am going to show you how to enable and disable shuffle option on Apple Music. To begin, let's select the song that is currently playing. Next, press this button. As we can see, our shuffle button is enabled. If you press it once again, we will listen to the songs in the original order. If you want to enable it again, just press the shuffle once again. You can do it as many times as you want. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave us a like and subscribe.